Horses are abused for prizes and prestige. Diesel fuel and other harsh caustic chemicals are used in a practice called soring, the intentional infliction of pain to a horse's legs or hooves to produce an artificial, flashy, high step known as the big lick. Forced to wear unnatural high-heeled shoes, horses have harmful chemicals applied to their legs, while wraps cook the substances into the horse's skin. The legs become extremely irritated and sensitive. Heavy chains and rollers strike the legs with each step, producing the big lick.